Hello, my name's Claire Matthews and I work for Cheshire West and Chester Council. I feel as a borough we're in a rather unique position of having an Avenue Services delivering such a range of unique, diverse and most importantly well managed services within the ward of Blacon. The company really are front and centre of the majority of things that go on within the area, from the adventure playground right through to grounds maintenance, the Parade Enterprise Centre. I think if there was an example of an organisation that is front and centre of the community, I think Avenue Services would be it.
Hi, my name's Kerry George and I work for Platform for Life. We're a mental health charity that supports low-income families around the Blacon and Leitch areas. Avenue Services are our landlord and do a great job of making us feel very welcome and looking after us and ensuring everything runs smoothly at Parade Enterprise Centre. But more than that, they've been incredibly supportive of our charity, introducing us to other local agencies and community partners and contributing to our work financially through the surplus fund. It means a lot to us and we're delighted to be one of Avenue Services partners.
Hello, I'm Simon Hughes. I'm Company Director of Better Together Chester Limited. I've been working with Avenue Services now for about 3 years and we've now established a good partnership. They've helped us with accessing venues for my youth theatre and also help with applications for funding, and have been an invaluable source of advice with the PR and all aspects of running the business.
Hi, my name is Pauline and I live at Wayne Court and I've always been happy with the ground maintenance team. They cut the lawns every 15 to 21 days and the hedges in July, August. They also cut the shrubs back in November, December, and we give an excellent service. The team is always very pleasant when you approach them, and now we'll go and have a look out in the garden. Few of the residents do the garden and this is the results of what you see. They take pride in everything they do, and the other residents that are not able to do garden appreciate it very much.
Hello, my name is Karen Smith, one of the directors of Here and Now Chester Limited. Here and Now is a social enterprise based in Blacon, Chester, and is volunteer-led. Formed 7 years ago, Here and Now's aim was to try and alleviate loneliness and isolation in hard-to-reach older people in the community. Chris Lester, Neighbourhood Service Manager, assisted us 7 years ago to set up with business advice and grant ideas. In the last 7 years, Avenue Services have been pivotal in supporting Here and Now through the Neighbourhood Plan Grant Award, helping us become a successful social enterprise in the heart of the community. We're currently providing weekly social activity groups, a Keep Fit session and a digital assistance scheme for older people called Digital Buddies.
Hi, I'm Craig Brown, founder and chief executive of Rage Fitness Wellbeing Group. So I've been asked to put a video together about our partnership with Avenue Services and Sanctuary Housing and explain a little bit about what we do, who we are and how our partnership has helped thousands of people improve physically, mentally and emotionally really. So Rage Fitness Wellbeing Group was started off as doing fitness classes, one fitness class a week. And the idea was to help people where I once was. I was suicidal drug addict. I was homeless for roughly 12 months. I was involved in crime. I've been in situations where most people couldn't dream of being. So then I used my lived experience to help people overcome anxiety, lack of confidence, obesity, drug addiction, domestic violence. And as I said, we started off doing one fitness class a week. I'm actually in one of our wellbeing centres now, so this is all the equipment that we have, which is absolutely fantastic. Bear in mind, we started with a skipping rope. Then I'll take you to the other side, and this is where we do our fitness class and wellbeing workshops. And we work in partnership with the NHS, Public Health England, central government, and lots of other fantastic services and providers and organisations as well. This is part of our youth provision, mixed martial arts, and another section is going on that wall. And then up there is Calm Coffee. So that is our mental health coffee shop. And again, we do lots of wellbeing activities up there as well, such as stillbirth workshops, wellbeing colouring, and basically what we'd call support sessions, which is a variation of counselling through lived experience. So the partnership with Avenue Services ultimately started off a fantastic chain of events. As I say, we started off in this building and it looked like this, and then now you can see it's completely changed overall. The centre, what you see so far, is 10% of what we do. We now operate in 198 countries as part of a wellbeing partnership with the UN. We are one of the sole wellbeing partnerships in line with the Sustainability Academy. And then we also operate with over 100 commercial partners to improve staff wellbeing. And the idea is that we understand each person's individual wellbeing score, and then we generate a plan for them to improve overall. So without Avenue Services and Sanctuary Highs and believing in us, none of this would happen. And so far we've supported around 260 to 270,000 people globally, improve physically, mentally, emotionally. And that's just because the team at Avenue Services within Blake and Chester, which is Chris Lester, Paul Knight and Sandra Hewer, believed what I believed, is that I could make a difference and I could use my pain to help people improve overall. And so far we're doing a bloody good job of it. It was also fantastic to have Craig Mule down last week in the centre speaking about all the stuff that we've kind of just mentioned then, and hopefully we'll help a lot more people improve overall.